While vacuum cleaners, particularly the advanced robot variant, can appear to be quite complicated, almost every smart home company you know has one under their belt. Let's take Eufy, for example. A company that's generally into security cameras has their new flagship vacuum cleaner called Eufy X10 Pro Omni, taking names as a great mid-range model. But how good can it actually get? Let's find out in our video today. While most vacuum cleaners are round in design, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni is more a rounded rectangle, designed in a manner where it can easily access the corners and edges of any given room. The shape, apart from being practical, gives the vacuum a separate identity that helps it to stand out from the competition. You can find 3 buttons on the top to start or stop cleaning, or to return to the dock, which you won't be needing anyway due to the app. Flipping it over, we find a relatively standard layout that comes with a single side sweeper brush, a floor roller, and dual microfiber mopping cloths. Inside the robot, there's a big which can be removed manually, and it is recommended to clean this out at least once a month, along with the filter. Dual water tanks are available where there's one 3-liter tank that holds clean water and another 2.7-liter for dirty water. Eufy X10 Pro uses AI. See, an artificial intelligence-based visual quality control and defect detection system that makes the vacuum smarter than ever. The system makes sure the vacuum follows clear routes, doesn't get stuck, can detect over 100 different obstacles such as cables, toys, slippers, and more, and is currently ranked No. 1 in terms of obstacle recognition. With AI, the vacuum can recognize different rooms in your home and then customize the suction and water flow accordingly for the best possible results. The proprietary Eufy Clean app does a delightful job of keeping things neat and clean, not only in terms of the vacuum's performance. The UI, while looking a bit basic, comes with a bunch of powerful features that allow you to create a map of your home, among other things. The map can be divided into rooms, which is highly useful since you can then tell the robot to clean a specific room of your choice. The no-go and virtual boundaries feature to restrict the movement of the robot and stop it from wandering around where you don't want it to be. There's also a no-mop zone that stops the robot from using its mopping pads entirely, and it's useful in scenarios where the floor in question is made out of delicate material and is easily prone to damage. A cleaning cycle can be started for the entire house or the rooms you selected, giving you a choice and where you want the vacuum to clean specifically. One thing to keep in mind is the vacuum is specifically designed for homes with pets, as living with pets that constantly shed can make it a nightmare to keep carpets clean. With that in mind, Eufy X10 Pro comes with a solid 8,000 pascals of suction to clean pet hair efficiently. The vacuum is also an expert at cleaning carpets, since with the multi-directional floating roller brush, it can easily remove dirt and debris even from the deepest parts of your finest carpets. You can also tamper with cleaning intensity, adjust suction power from low to turbo, and customize the water level. You'll also have the option to adjust how often the mop should be cleaned by the vacuum, which will depend on how dirty your floors get. Mop cleaning requires fresh water from the tank along with the fixed brushes on the dock to remove dirt. You can also customize how long the auto-drying feature runs for and how often the robot should be emptied. Speaking of, the dustbin on this vacuum is equipped with a filter to trap microscopic particles, including dust, pollen, mold, and bacteria, which makes it ideal for people who suffer from allergies. Suffice it to say, you get a ton of options to work with, and with this level of customizability, the Eufy X10 Pro has something for everyone. When done with all that and the X10 Pro Omni's battery needs recharge in the middle of a cleaning session, it will automatically go back to the Omni station to recharge itself and then resume cleaning from where it left off. Speaking of charging and battery life, the X10 Pro Omni has a battery life of up to 180 minutes in vacuum mode and up to 120 minutes in mop and vacuum mode. However, do keep in mind the numbers will take a hit depending on your suction power and other additional customization. In a nutshell, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni stands out with impressive AI-driven capabilities with exceptional options in terms of customization. It excels in navigation and cleaning spaces efficiently, particularly in homes that have pets. Alongside a robust battery life and AI expertise, the Eufy X10 Pro is a versatile and highly effective vacuum that's ideal for anyone who wants to maintain a clean home. What are your thoughts on the Eufy X10 Pro Omni? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.